On December 23, 2022, fire and rescue crews from the Lake City Fire Company in Lake City, Pennsylvania, responded to a reported structure fire in a mobile home community. Upon arrival, crews noted the intense nature of the blaze and recognized this fully involved structure as a total loss. Firefighters will need to prioritize defending possible exposures to surrounding trailers and ensure the remainder of this burn is a controlled one. Let's watch it all unfold.
Dude, I gotta go to work after this. Lucky you. Do my sidewalks.
Firefighters had the fire knocked down within 2 hours of arriving on scene and were somewhat successful in limiting the damage to surrounding homes. Crews noted a ruptured gas line that was on fire, which ultimately was determined to be the cause of the fire. No one was home at the time of the fire, and we regret to report 2 dogs were unable to make it out of the residence and were lost in the fire. Our thoughts and prayers are with the families affected by this tragedy. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Every bit helps us grow, and it would be great for us to grow together. Until next time.